Alright, what up people? It's your man Rajay 111. Just gonna show y'all real quick. Normally y'all know I usually put my tires in the oven. I prefer that method, but it's too cold to be opening the windows and airing out the kitchen and all that. So I do the acetone way in the winter, and I made like a little bucket deal. I made this already, but I ended up having to use the bucket. So I had to make another one, so I figured I'll show you how to do it. Alright? It's real simple, easy, no problems. Alright, but first we gotta get the tires off of the wheel. And the easiest way I found, alright, let me show you. You can use scissors and just cut it, like put it like a little start off with a little hole, little slit like that. And you can use the scissors way and just start cutting it, but the easiest way I found is I make two slits, make a hole here on one side, another one over here, okay, and this thing right here, I don't know what this is called. I got this with I ordered some like foam mattress topping, and they gave me this to cut the plastic out. But you can see it's a blade right there in the middle, right? Move this to the side. It's a blade right there in the middle, okay? So the easiest thing, this thing is great. So put in that little slit hole that you put in there. Get it up to the blade, quick and easy, and just turn it all around just like that. And just keep turning this down so that one point don't punch the tire. Just like that. Just go around the tire. Boom. Flip it around on the other side. Stick it in the slit there. Boom. Just like that. See that? Boom. And there. Tire comes right off. You still got your foam and everything. Now, if you want, you can keep your foams. I don't keep the foams. I trash them. But that is the easiest way for me to take off tires. And once we soak this will come right off. Alright, we gotta go over to the garage and show you the bucket thing, how to make that. Alright, get you 2 to 3 gallons. I usually use 2 gallons, alright, of acetone. Now you can do 3, but I wouldn't do no more than 3. 2 to 3 gallons of acetone. You're gonna need your 5-gallon bucket. This is the Lowe's one. You can do the Home Depot bucket. It doesn't matter. As long as it's a 5-gallon bucket with a lid. You need to have a lid, okay? If you get these buckets, they usually sell the lid separately. But you're gonna need the lid, okay? 5-gallon bucket with a lid. You also gonna need 2-gallon bucket, okay? 2-gallon bucket. You don't need the lid with this, but it has to be the 2-gallon bucket with a handle, because you're gonna be putting this inside of here, okay? All right, so you know what we need. All right, so let me move this out of the way. Now, well, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna punch holes in these. We're gonna drill holes in this bucket. All right, it ain't gotta be scientific, people. Just put some holes in there on the bottom, on the sides. That way, this is basically gonna turn into a strainer, and when we take it out, we can strain the acetone out. All right, easy breezy, really simple. Okay. All right, let me mount the camera and show you what I'm talking about. All right, people. So we're gonna drill some holes in this bucket. It ain't gotta be scientific measures or nothing, but a few holes in the bottom, and then a couple. What I usually do is I start from like here, put like a few going around. Okay. Just like that. All right, and you see this little stuff? Take that right off with a box cutter. So man, come right off. It's only plastic, okay? After we put our holes in, we cleaned up little plastic stuff in there. You're gonna take your wheels, put all your wheels that you did, put them in there, okay? Then take your acetone, pour all your acetone inside your 5-gallon bucket. All your acetone in your 5-gallon bucket, okay? Once you got all that in there, now take this, your little bucket with the wheels in and holes, drop it down in there, as you can see, okay? Then take your lid, put your lid on. Let that sit for 24 hours, 48, doesn't matter how long, whatever. Alright? Boom. Alright, so we're gonna let that sit for a day or two, then I'll be back. Alright. It's been like a day or two. I think it may even damn near 3, who knows. But alright. Make sure you got some gloves. Rubber gloves, okay? And some safety glass just in case this pops up on you or something. But definitely gloves, alright people? Okay. So take your lid off. Okay. Step to the side. And slowly pick it up. Because you want that acetone to drain out of there. Y'all can see I'm lifting it up. See that? Some of the wheels might be flipped around. And you want that stuff to drain out of there. Okay? See the wheels? See them stuff? Just falling off. Alright? Alright. Put this up here where the towel is at. Here we go, people. Take them out. Stuff comes right off. See that? I only did 8. Now you can also get truggy wheels in there, but you can see the glue and stuff came right off. Hopefully you can see that. See that glue come right off. Now, watch my other video on how I glue my tires. You man, just scuff up this rim and remount your tires. Okay, clean. Now what I do now with this, I clean this up with soap and water. Just dish soap, clean them all off, and then I scuff them up and re-glue the tires on there. This acetone in the bucket will stay long as it's covered up. It won't evaporate. But make sure you keep the lid on it. I put that bucket back in there and I leave the lid on. And shoot, I've used the same acetone for like almost a year before I needed new acetone. Okay? Alright people, so that's the other method. I really prefer the other method because I'd have been done already. But this is not bad, you know, it's good. It's alright. In the winter time it works because I ain't got to air nothing out. Alright people, so this your man Rajay 111. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.